Hello everybody and welcome to Whimsy Creek. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about paint pouring and how you can try to be environmentally friendly while paint pouring. So I want to talk about a few things that I do. I reuse all my cups. I also mix all my paint in reusable bottles, and that'll save on having stir sticks and a lot of unneeded cups. I reuse water bottles. These spout tops work great, and your paint will last about 3 to 4 months in a reusable bottle. And so let's just do a little pour today while we're talking about some of the other ways that I try to be environmentally friendly when paint pouring. So I have a ceramic tile here, and all my ceramic tiles, light switch covers, and anything like that I buy at the Habitat for Humanity Restore here in town. And so I like to get some of those items that contractors might otherwise put into the landfill, and we can reuse them. And all of my stuff is always sitting on pudding cups or yogurt cups that we've washed and reused. And a lot of family and friends, I ask them to wash theirs and they save them for me. So we get lots and lots of free yogurt cups and free pudding cups and things like that. So that's just great. And then if I have stuff on my hands, I just use old t-shirts and really stained up stuff that would otherwise be thrown away. I wipe my hands on those sort of things. Some of the other things that I do is the runoff of the paint, some of the waste that's falling down in after it's dried, that actually just peels right up, and those are called skins. So I take some of the paint skins and you can make jewelry. I'll show you here in just a second when I get my hands a little bit cleaner some of the paint skins, how it just comes right out. So the cups, if you reuse the cups, you can reuse them over and over and over again. If the paint starts to get a little bit thick in there, it actually just peels right out. So if it's completely dry, you can peel it right out and reuse them hundreds and hundreds of times. Now, if I am making a small batch of a certain color of paint, I will make it in a cup, not in my reusable bottles, and then you have a stir stick. So we use popsicle sticks, those sort of things for stir sticks. But after you're all done, it's got a very pretty creative pattern usually on them. You can make those into bookmarks as well, so you don't have to throw your stir sticks away once they're all dry. Just giving it a little torch here. See, I didn't put much silicone, only one color had silicone. So not too many of the cells, the little round, those are cells. So let me move this one out of our way and we'll grab another one, and then we can talk about a couple more things. So here's the cup I just used, and so it has a little bit more paint still in it. I take these small magnets and I just lay the cup on there and I let all the paint drain out, and then I make them into magnets. So there's not much runoff or any waste, but if there is any runoff, I just let it dry in the pans. This one I already peeled off earlier, it's kind of stuck to the other one, but you just peel it right out of there, and so then you've got all this that you can make jewelry out of. So that's kind of neat. Here's some light switch covers that I got from Habitat for Humanity. Reuse those. And then sometimes in some of my pours I will blow flowers, and a lot of people will use straws for that. I don't like to use straws, or I don't have straws in my home at all, so I use an aquarium hose, the aquarium tubing. Aquarium tubing works great, and you can actually maneuver it better and get it where you want it to be. That's one nice thing about that. Alright, let's pour a couple of light switch covers. Some white. blue. And again, these light switch covers are from Habitat for Humanity, so otherwise would probably be in a landfill. So that's one way of being environmentally friendly. My coasters I make are all from tiles from there as well. And here's a finished coaster. I seal it with high heat engine enamel, and then I put cork on the back, and I just glue cork. Another quick way I try to be a little bit environmentally friendly, I also go to thrift stores, I go to Goodwill, things like that, and I try to get canvases, frames, anything like that from the thrift stores to reuse those. Alright, and this is again another cup that I'm just reusing. And these are just a few examples. There's so many other ways you can be environmentally friendly with this art. You really can be careful about your waste and your consumption of this plastics and stuff with this art. So we got a lot of drips. I'll just let those all dry in the bottom of the pan and then be able to peel that up if I have any that are pieces big enough, then do some art. Or almost there, just trying to tilt to this, a little bit over here to this edge. And my hands get very, very, very messy. I do not use gloves. I think that's another way that can kind of save the environment. But I also don't go running in and wash my hands with all this paint on them. I just wipe them off on something that would just normally go to the landfill that's stained up. Family and friends save their stained clothing. Not something that you could donate to somebody else can wear, but you know, the stained stuff that would otherwise just go to the landfill. Alright. Still have quite a bit of paint in here, so we'll just add a little bit of white, maybe some turquoise. And if you guys could comment down below, give me some ideas on some other ways maybe I could be environmentally friendly. I'm always looking for other ideas as well. So comment down below if you've thought of something that maybe I haven't thought of, or it'd be nice to learn some other ways. Alright, now this will be hard because I don't want to get the drips on that other one, and it's kind of close quarters, but we got this. If you got any ideas for future videos you would like to see from me, comment down below. Don't forget, at 300 subscribers, I will be giving away an 8x10 painting. So as soon as I get 300 subscribers, I'll put out that video announcing my giveaway. Alright. Wiping my hands off, and then I'll grab the torch and give those a quick torch. I just have a regular kitchen torch, chef's torch, creme brulee torch. You don't want to get the torch too close. I'm about 3 inches, 4 inches up above the paint. You're not actually burning the painting, you're just getting the tension up to pull those oils up through. Alright, I'll take you down and show you close up just a minute.